Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to link your Twitch account to your Prime Gaming account. So here we are currently on my Prime Gaming homepage, and all you need to do is click on your name up here, and then click on Manage Twitch Accounts. So as you can see, it says that I don't have any link accounts, so we're gonna connect it to a Twitch account. So click on it, and it will immediately send us to a link where it will ask us to link the following accounts. But first, make sure that your Twitch account is currently logged on. If it's not, then no worry, it's just gonna tell you to log into your Twitch before the linking process can begin. And right now it's already linked, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna head over to my Twitch to show you that it's currently linked. So this is my Twitch account. If I go here to settings, I will be having Prime Gaming over here, and I can see emoticons and some settings that usually only members with Prime Gaming have. And also even more so is that you can check the Prime Gaming tray over here. As you can see, you can collect Prime loot, so you don't need to head over to your Prime Gaming, and you can just click over and check any loot that you can get from your Prime Gaming subscription. And that is how you connect your Prime Gaming account to your Twitch account. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye!